What should I do if my ancestral father and son are rusty? Don't be in a hurry to throw it away. If you refurbish it and reprocess it, you'll be able to make a more handsome father and son. The first thing to do is to mark his appointment before signing the cut, right? The father and son made some changes to his shape to make her appearance even more unique. The polishing position before and after finishing is quite rough, so here I'll use a file to polish the cut position. The rust on the surface can also be polished with a file and then treated with sandpaper. After processing, you can apply a nice pattern to its surface, then soak it in the container for 4 hours. Next, you can make the part of the handle, find a suitable wooden barrel, and then first draw the basic shape of the handle on it with a pen. When drawing, you can prepare a shape model on paper in advance, so it will be a little easier to draw. After the flowers are done, use a curve car to give him the following angular parts according to the location of the line, then you can also polish it with a file. Here, the corners are polished off first, then sandpaper is used to grind it into a smoother shape. At this point, the handle part has been made. Now let's continue to deal with the denial part. Now let's soak it in soda water first, so the sticker on its surface will be a little easier to clean. After removing the iron, the next step is to blacken the position of her pattern. Here, the surface of the pattern is clean, then blacken it with a little bit of water, and then wipe it off for him, so that the color of the ink can be printed on the top of the pattern. Once the treatment is complete, you can then connect it to the handle. After attaching the rotor to the handle, apply a little white latex to his alto stand, and then use a small block of wood to cut it into the groove, so that he can be closely connected to denial. After the installation was completed, I had to start a job for him. Here, a grinding machine was used to polish, and finally applied a layer of paint to the top of the handle Moriyu was responsible for, and the entire production for which Moriyu is responsible has already been completed. In the end, the results of this refurbishment still look pretty good. I wonder what people think of the axe refurbished like. If you think it's pretty good, you can give temporary support to the video, or leave your thoughts in the comments section. We'll see you later. What a fantastic video is this! What do you say about this? Do comment, and subscribe for more.